Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello survivors! In this video I will explain how to make a glider in a survival game. To begin your aerial adventure, you'll first need to gather essential materials. Look for 20 sturdy pieces of wood, 10 soft pieces of cloth, and 5 shiny metal ingots. These foundational items are often found by chopping trees, harvesting plants, and mining ore deposits. Ensure you have a crafting bench nearby to start your construction. Now that you have your materials, let's construct the glider's robust frame. At your crafting bench, fashion 2 long wooden beams and 4 smaller wooden struts. These will form the main support. Next, utilize 3 of your metal ingots to forge a strong central connector. Carefully combine these pieces, ensuring a secure fit, to create the foundational skeleton that will soon take to the skies. This frame provides the necessary rigidity. With the frame complete, it's time to add the crucial elements for flight, the wings and fabric. Craft 2 expansive wing panels, each requiring 4 pieces of wood and 3 pieces of cloth. These panels will provide the necessary lift. Carefully secure these newly constructed wings to the glider's central frame using strong rope. Make sure the fabric is stretched tightly across the wooden supports to maximize aerodynamic efficiency for your flights. You're almost ready for takeoff. For the final touches, use your remaining 2 metal ingots to reinforce any critical stress points on the glider, ensuring its durability. Once fully assembled, simply equip the glider from your inventory. Find a high vantage point, like a tall cliff or mountain peak. Then, with a leap of faith, deploy your glider and experience the thrill of soaring above the landscape. Happy flying, adventurer!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.